Hi, this is Colleen Bird. I did my presentation on augmented reality. So what is augmented reality? Augmented reality content can be accessed by scanning or viewing a trigger image with a mobile device, such as like a smartphone, or like an iPad. Yeah, and it creates a subsequent action. So the action can be like a video, another image, 3D animations, games, QR codes, pretty much whatever you want it to be. So augmented reality allows you to see things in 3D. It brings the content to life. It's great for visual learners. It gives them the opportunity to really kind of have that visual hands-on experience, if you want to say, that they get to really see things happen. And it will provide some new engagement that will get the kids excited to learn. So we've already been using augmented reality in most recent years without even realizing it, through things like Snapchat filters. A lot of websites, when you're online shopping, allows you to kind of try on your clothes through the computer, in the sense that you're putting the outfit on you through a picture. You get to see what it looks like. Same thing with furniture shopping. You can see what your couch would look like in your living room by taking a picture of your living room and inserting it into the picture. So it's really cool that we can see that. So right now we can also integrate it into education with 3D models in science, such as like the solar system. You can actually see the solar system instead of just reading about it. In reading, you can bring the story to life. You could see the story of the three little pigs. You can see the pigs building their houses. It would be really cool to use that in the classroom. And then there's an app called Math Alive for augmented reality, which brings kind of math to life. So I just found a real quick video, so I want to show that quickly. F-I-V-E. 1, 2, so you can see that it's kind of like a 3D type of thing to show them. They can see 5 of the moose. The moose is there. And it's really cool that they get to see that. And you can see that the alligator ate the number that was larger. So different ways to incorporate it into the education is great. And those are my references. Thanks for watching.